This machine we have here is our top roll machine, which is our Hurricane, and what it does is it rolls mats by loading it on the front side, having the roll mats out on the back side of it. It has the highest performance of any mat rollers on the market. This roll machine usually rolls up to 400 mats an hour, depending on mat size. On the Hurricane roll machine we have two belts on top, and that is because that we need to have two belts to turn the mat around and do the cone correction. The cone correct feature is very nice because the space of the mats in the truck is reduced, and the final product of the mat when it lays on the floor gets better. We have very many add-ons to the standard Hurricane. By adding either a RFID antenna to the roll machine or a width sensor bar, we can automatically sort mats either on length and width or type of mat depending on the customer's database. You can have a binding machine to it, so when the mat is rolled we will put the foil around the mat to keep it tight and rolled. To the binding machine you can add a printer, so we can print barcodes and text, logos, whatever is could benefit the different laundries. The advantage of having a big inlet table on the Hurricane roll machine is that you'll have more or less the whole mat lying on top of the table, so you'll be able to see dust, dirty spots or holes in the mat, and by pressing a button roll it backwards to the operator so they can handle it. This machine is very easy and safe for the operator to use. You have the height adjustable legs on it, which makes it ergonomic. There's no dangerous areas for the operator to handle. It's a machine which every mat laundry can benefit from because it reduces all the manual work. It's much more efficient, has a better quality of rolling as well.